For our yogurt parfait, the ingredients are 3/4 cup of yogurt, 1% or non-fat. This is protein as far as macronutrients. Half a cup of blueberries. This is carbohydrate that comes with fiber, antioxidants, and other health benefits. Or pick a fruit or fruits that you like. 1 tablespoon of walnuts. Walnuts are fat as far as macros. They provide several health benefits such as vitamins and antioxidants. However, it is a calorie-rich food, so be mindful of serving size. Almonds or cashews are also a good alternative. Whip the yogurt, get some air in there, make it creamy. Then add the blueberries and the walnuts. Very easy and quick to make. You can have this as a snack or a meal, depending on your nutrition plan. I'll post the nutrition info in the description. Thank you for watching my video.